Hey yo, James, we had a real vibe today, huh?
You know what's up, man?
Yeah.
It's about the moolah.
Yeah, more money and more blessings. Yeah. Yeah.
Mali nami siyangibiza from all along I just had a vision Ukushintsha impilo ngalefiso Idladla lami ngifuna ukwakha imansion Vele give it to the street Egazi lami ngifuna bengasukuli Izinja zami zingasukuli Makufika ngingakhuthuli Spend idola ngingasukuli Credit izimanje kukuthi Ngishaya umthetho njengomakoti Spend idola ngingasukuli Credit izimanje kukuthi Bese ngishaya umthetho njengomakoti Yeah
Mali nami siyangibiza.
Okay. Yeah, that means
That's what I used to say. If I wake up every morning feeling great, means faces on me is to make it rain. I've been praying to God to clear my way, cause I'm working hard without watching time. So I'm gonna bow without watching price. Ngizange ngimithe kodwa ngizela imali ndikudala ngiwa but I never quit. Phupho lami lisangakudida nawe so you gotta know if you wrong you right. Akekho umunye osangakutshela ngawe so you gotta know what you chasing by. I'm the kid and I'm from the dust but imali mingicosha ngashintsha nami. Big dladla with the big cars zinja zami Pile on a high life Dream mtanga make a drop Masa ngiphethe imali nginkosi ngeconsi Inkinga sekuvume neclose I pray the doors and the ghost from recourse I used to pray every night before sleeping Because I just know some of demons are hunting I used to say mabevala bamnyama before usomandla yengonisa ukhanya Manje ngiyambona yesondela kimi nesikhwama esimnyama esingiphathele umcebo Manje mangithule ngilalele ngiyayizwa le mali memeza yibhizi yangibiza man
Mali nami siyangibiza from all along I just had a vision Ukushintsha impilo ngalefiso Idladla lami ngifuna ukwakha imansion Vele give it to the street Egazi lami ngifuna bengasukuli Izinja zami zingasukuli Makufika ngingakhuthuli Spend idola ngingasukuli Credit izimanje kukuthi Ngishaya umthetho njengomakoti Spend idola ngingasukuli Credit izimanje kukuthi Bese ngishaya umthetho njengomakoti Yeah
Imali kuphela manje xoxa nami ngisho ngizama ukulala isipini ekhanda lami Angizange ngimithe kodwa ngizela imali kushuthi imali iyona lami umfana wami Dala ngifisa ukufeza iphupho lami inkinga iphupho lami nalo lidinga imali Oh hayi asambe sibali manje siyodla imali Ungalibali ukuthi imali yami mase sifike kasi ngifuna kube mnandi Dala ngiwa ngizama ngizabalaza ngisho indlela ihlaba kodwa ngizange ngikhuluke Khaya bethetha ngokuthi anginasiving batshela one day ngovela kwi-TV Mama unefiso ngiyazazi ziningi kuyimanje ngiyafunga ngizoyakha imenshini Mangiqeda lapho ngizophuma estradini nalapho ngiyafunga the wrong make it rain Tshela umagebhe umeshoda amaciko komela bhadale ngimkhombisa umhlolo Ngisho ngisemncane bengikhala ngemali inkinga njengami ngafuza u-jukebox I heard him saying lo mfana kajoli inkinga baboni ngisashela amadola Laba ngiyabaziyo ngomu uyayona waqala wayibamba bafuna ukuyikhokha Ayi sibo manyora sonkatakata lephile lidola Sengitshela ukuthi mayifuna uyayithola Khuluma idola mali yephepha ngiyakutshela ngiyayibona
Spend idola ngingasukuli Credit izimanje kukuthi Ngishaya umthetho njengomakoti Spend idola ngingasukuli Credit izimanje kukuthi Bese ngishaya umthetho njengomakoti Yeah Spend idola ngingasukuli Credit izimanje kukuthi Ngishaya umthetho njengomakoti Spend idola ngingasukuli Credit izimanje kukuthi Bese ngishaya umthetho njengomakoti Yeah